5 ways to make a budget and track your projects in an automated way. How to do it? Give me a like, subscribe, and push the notification button. The project reports and graphics will allow you to visualize the evolution and execution of each project in a more intuitive way. Once you're in, you can see all of your project's graphics globally. You can share these project reports and graphics with this button. Write down the person's email whom you want to send it to and then press the share button. The email will look like this, and the recipient user can click on it to see it inside of Mtrix-sc.com. You can see, print, and download the financial and graphic reports on your project using these buttons. Remember that you can also have access to these reports within your budgets and MTOs with this button. Mtrix-sc.com offers 4 different types of graphics for an easy and quick understanding. The first graphic shows the statistical reports of each of your project items and its evolution of each MTO, represented by vertical lines. This legend shows color, month, and number of each MTO. The second graphic has the same function as the previous one, except that it uses horizontal lines and grouping all of the MTOs and sections. On this part, the third graphic shows you the global percentage of each MTO month by month, and on this part, you will see the remaining global percentage to finish the work. The fourth graphic shows the financial report of each MTO. To your left, you'll see the paid amount month by month, and on your right, you have all of the budgeted amounts, the overall paid values, and what is left to be paid. You can filter the visualization of each graphic by pressing on this option and selecting the graphic you want to see only. At any moment, you can save each graphic as a PDF file, send them via email, or print them if you want to share these graphics physically. You can maximize the graphics for full screen viewing if you need to use them in presentations, or restore their sizes using this button. Follow me on our social networks.